Here is the Konica C35EF overall conditions. Okay, so you have two battery compartments. One is here and another one is here. Here is for the flash use using two AA battery. Then here is for the light meter use. It using one LR44 battery. Yeah, if it's without the battery, you still can function. Just the metering, it won't trigger the. Yep. Then we just put it inside. Close it. Okay. Next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover. Then here's the film. From the bottom to the top, make sure that the rewind thing is fit into the center of the canister. Yep. Like that. Then the film tip is into hole inside here. Okay. Yeah, you see. Sometimes if you can't fully up, then you cannot close the back cover, so you need to like slightly turn a bit to let it fit it. Wait, the wind first. Okay. Like this means okay, then just close it. How to make sure whether you have loaded the film properly? When you wind the film, look at here. Yeah, it turns together, which means that it's loaded properly. Yeah. Then here is the focus ring. You need to adjust the focus when you before you shoot. Yeah, it's a zone focus, so you need to self-estimate the distance, you and the object, then only adjust and shoot. And sorry, forgot to say, here is the ISO setting. You need to set according to the film you use. Yeah, like that. And here inside is the viewfinder. The viewfinder, the right side of the viewfinder have a needle. It will show the current aperture for you. And if the aperture, the needle is dropped until the red side, which means that you need to turn on the flash like this. Yeah. And for the flash, usually I will just wait for like 10 seconds, then I just shoot. But you can also wait for the orange light come out, then you shoot. Yeah. If you don't want to use it, remember to close it. Then here is the timer. Pull it down and press. Then we'll start counting. Yeah. Wait until it's fully back. Yeah. So overall it's like this. And when you want to rewind the film, how to know whether you finish the film? Wind until you feel that there's a resistance that you cannot wind anymore. Then you stop it and press the silver button at the bottom. Flip here out to rewind. Rewind until suddenly become very loose, which means that it's okay already. Okay. Should be okay. Oops. So sometimes you just like wind a little bit more because this is a dummy roll. So yeah, I have no worry lah. But if it's normal, then you need to like quickly to close it lah. So it's like this, and hope you enjoy it.